Welcome to Athens, Georgia, home of the Georgia Bulldogs. Today, we are going to take a tour of one of the best little hidden gems in Georgia. Hey y'all, I'm Melissa B. McCall, your luxury relocation agent for Georgia and South Carolina, also known as The Selling Bee, and I help families and professionals align their lifestyle with where they live. If you're curious about Athens beyond the brochures and university hype, this video is for you. Let's start with this. The vibe here is different. Athens has this unique alchemy, artsy and grounded, progressive but soulful, small town cozy with just enough edge. And the people who move here aren't just chasing affordability, they're choosing alignment. I'm seeing more clients from Atlanta, Charlotte, and even LA who want something slower but not stagnant. They want space, creativity, connection, and Athens gives them that without feeling like they're moving to the middle of nowhere. You'll hear people toss around 5 Points and Normal Town, and yes, they're beautiful, walkable, historic, lots of charm. But if you want the scoop on where smart money is moving, here's what I'm seeing. Forest Heights, you have tons of mature trees, 1960s ranches with soul, and many haven't been flipped yet. You can still find something under $400,000 if you're fast. In East Side, it's quiet, family-oriented with newer construction, and it's great for people who want space but don't need to be right in downtown traffic. And in the River District, there are hidden pockets near the Oconee River that feel like a nature retreat. I just showed a house last week with a footpath straight into the woods, and it was 10 minutes from downtown. So here's the truth. Zillow doesn't show you how a neighborhood feels, and that's why I do these tours, to help you find a home that fits your energy, not just your price range. Now, this part is huge because moving isn't just about square footage, it's about lifestyle. And this is where Athens wins. People fall in love with the food scene, yes, but also the walkability, the community events, the way people actually say hi to you. We gotta see this, y'all. So I'm always gonna be looking for the really great eat spots. And this right here is calling my name because we're talking cookies, warm cookies, and they're open late. Hold up, wait a minute, I just got interrupted. Talk to me. Okay, so it looks like we have Sully. What is this? What is that?
You've never heard of it?
Never.
Okay. Well, we're bringing it.
Yeah.
2 months we've been open.
Okay. And so
This is for Instagram.
this is for YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
You want to come try one?
I do want to come try one. Yes. I sure will. We're gonna film. We good. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm walking down the street here in Athens and I'm running into all of these fabulous new restaurants that I have not seen in a while. And this new restaurant, I think 2 months old, is called Sully's Steamers. Can you tell us about it? And first of all, tell me what your name is. You're so beautiful.
Oh, well, thank you. So are you.
Thank you.
So my name is Carrie and Ray.
Okay.
My husband and I own this spot. We are new. We've been here for a little over 2 months. We've been really pounding the pavement, trying to get the word out there because honestly, these sandwiches are so fire. Like, I cannot even tell you. So people have not heard of steamed bagel sandwiches before.
You're right.
And it kind of sounds weird at first, right? When you look at the sandwiches, you're like, oh, that's a little odd. But somehow it comes together.
Yeah.
So I intercepted because I really want you to try it.
I love it and I can't wait to try it. Y'all know I love to eat, right?
And so our bagels actually come from the Bronx.
Okay.
And so they're a little heartier, They can withstand that steaming process.
Yeah.
And we have literally something on the menu for everybody. So we have breakfast, lunch,
Okay.
dinner. We also are open late night on Friday and Saturday nights right now. About to be Thursday when the students come back.
I love that.
Until 3 a.m.
Nice.
So everything is fully customizable. If you want to add a cream cheese, take away a cheese, like whatever you want to do, like, we can do it.
Okay, tell me this right quick. How did you find out about steamed bagels? We're here in the South. Have y'all heard about steamed? I haven't heard about steamed bagels. So how did you come across this idea?
So this is a franchise and it's based out of Greenville, South Carolina.
Greenville.
Yeah, so that one opened in 2013.
Okay.
And I believe with the 17th location, we found it, we went out, we like to go to Greenville. And so we actually were just like Googling places to eat, and we like to eat at like original places. So like we don't go to like a McDonald's or like whatever. We like to try new food. And so we tried it for the first time several years ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. I went back another time and I was like, that's it. I'm gonna reach out and see if they do franchising. I don't know what made me do it. I just really love the product.
Yes.
And so here we are.
I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Well, can we go eat?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Come on.
The Daily Grocery Co-op, locals love it. There's organic produce, fresh pastries, and bulletin boards full of soul-led events, yoga, doula meetups, book circles. And the music scene here, it's not just for college kids. There are intimate acoustic nights, porch concerts, and artist collectives for adults too. And let's talk about the wellness vibe. You wouldn't expect it, but there's a quiet wave of holistic living here. Think energy healing, conscious parenting circles, and herbal apothecaries tucked behind vintage shops. And if you're into human design or living intentionally, there are communities here waiting for you. You just have to know where to look. And I do. Okay, so many choices. All right, so first I'll start with the most popular, the Griswold.
You got it? What kind of bagel you think?
Oh yes, that was, all right, let's try the cheddar jalapeno. Okay, does that parm peppercorn also like give a little spice?
It does.
No, okay, awesome.
You're not a spicy fan?
Well, I'm not a huge spicy fan. Like if it's too spicy that I can't enjoy the
it's
sandwich.
not spicy
Yeah,
at all.
okay, awesome.
It'll give a little bit of a flavor, but not spicy.
Yeah, okay, awesome. Oh, can I move this so that I can, oh my God.
I got the Griswold
Yes.
and the egg and cheese tomatoes right there in the side cream cheese.
Okay, hold on, talk to me again.
We got the Griswold, this is the
Griswold.
bestseller right here.
Yeah, okay.
This is the one that she recommended right here. It's the egg and cheese,
Egg and
side
cheese.
cream cheese.
Got it.
This is the
Okay.
Freebird, another one of our most popular ones. And this right here.
Let's start with numero uno. The Griswold, which I've been told is a crowd favorite, is the one that if you come into this restaurant, you will notice that it is in yellow. And y'all know how we feel about yellow. Selling these brand vibes, it's a sign. Okay. Yummy. Look at this. Wow. You see the cheese? I love the cheese. So, excuse my braces. This is bomb. Oh my God. This is so good. Oh my God. I don't even have words. I'm for real. So let me tell you what I'm tasting. First of all, it's like, it's so warm. So it feels really good just going down my whole throat. The bagel though, I've never been able to just bite into a bagel and it be like bread. This doesn't even feel like a bagel because it's so soft. So that's first. Then the sauce that's on here, oh my God. So let's talk numbers for a second. The average home price in Athens has been climbing, but it's still wildly under what you'd pay in Atlanta, Charlotte, or even parts of Greenville. If we're talking entry-level homes, $325,000 to $375,000 for 3 beds in good school zones. Luxury market is about 700 to 1.2 million in spaces like 5 Points or near UGA Golf Course. And then the investment potential here, I'm seeing short-term rental potential rising in certain pockets that feel undiscovered but are only minutes from nightlife or events. And if you're looking to move or invest, this is a sweet spot. Prices are going up, but they haven't peaked yet. This is the kind of stuff no one tells you, but as someone who helps clients relocate here every month, I will.
Now I heard you say that you have a daughter.
We have 5 children.
She's in the same club as me. I have 6, so I get it. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so are y'all in the public school system, or do you do homeschool, or what do you do, and what do you think about that school system around here?
Yeah, so when we looked at moving, we didn't know exactly where we were going to be.
Okay.
And so we ended up renting. And so because of that, I didn't want to, my daughter had a really hard time in school in 3rd grade.
Yeah.
In Hall County. Maybe cut that. But anyways, she had a really hard time in that 3rd grade year. So when we were looking at transitioning, I didn't want to put her in somewhere just to take her out if we moved a year later. Okay. So we ended up doing a private school.
Yeah.
The private school that she's attending is amazing. They've been so good to her.
And it's right here in Athens.
It's right here in Athens.
Awesome.
And then my son does online schooling.
Yeah, beautiful.
And works with us.
Yeah. So as you can see, there's many of us out here. We're doing school the way that makes sense for our families. It's totally possible. You have amazing resources at your fingertips here. Sister Sunrise. This one has the eggs, which I love eggs, and cheese, which is usually my personal breakfast anyway. So this is something that I would eat in the morning for breakfast, but obviously you could eat any of these for any time. Oh, the cheese looks so yummy. Let's dive in. Y'all, they brought me utensils. I'm not even using them. Okay, this also has tomato in it. And I think we have a cream cheese with chives spread. Yeah, it's so fluffy. It just kind of blends in with the texture of the cream cheese and the softness of the bread. This bagel, just the bagel alone, I could eat that by itself. It's so good. And y'all, I'm trying to do better and not do so much bread, but this is making me cheat. Since we're kid focused a little bit, what would be some really cool things? Like, has there been a thing that you found about kids that you'll be like, oh, this is so cool for kids to do here?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's still something that we're exploring. Yeah. I mean, you know, my daughter is 10, so she's kind of in between like the young kid phase. There's tons of stuff to do for young kids. I don't know if you've heard of Wire Park, like
the water park.
Wire Park in Watkinsville.
Okay.
Wire Park in Watkinsville. We went there a few weeks ago. I have a grandchild as well, so we went there a few weeks ago, and they have this really cool indoor classes/play area. And you pay for like you can do a membership, you can do a drop-in, but they do a 30-minute class, and then they do like a 30-minute to an hour playtime.
Wow!
And it's all indoors, and it's very relaxing, and it's very cool. So I'm going to actually bring my 2-year-old granddaughter there.
I love that.
And there's other places there's like things to do outside, like eat and shop. But that was a really cool thing I just discovered.
Yeah.
We do have a free zoo here.
Okay. Yep, that's right.
So we've done that a few times. And then it's really the parks. I mean, there's tons of parks. Pickleball is huge here. I don't know if y'all have seen the pickleball courts.
It is everywhere right now.
They are literally, well, the ones here are really nice.
Yeah.
So pickleball is really good right now. And then we bike a lot.
Yeah.
Firefly Trail. That has been a huge addition to this neighborhood. It's just the trails and
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
So I ordered 4 sandwiches, and instead of me trying the 4th one, somehow the owner and I have coerced my cameraman, Mr. DJ, the magic behind the camera, to try this last one. And this one is called, what is it called? The Nacho Maximus. This one's called the Nacho Maximus. So DJ is gonna try this one because
I have braces on, and these nachos are just gonna probably stain and do all the things to mine. So he's about to make a go for it. These are the Doritos that you put on this one. Isn't that the coolest thing? A warm bagel with Doritos somehow thrown in there. I am low-key so curious. Here we go. Did y'all hear that crunch? That was so loud. And the eyebrows are up and the thumbs are up and he gives us an okay. Okay, so the bread is very, I told you the bread is banging. This is my new, like, I just want to eat this with everything. I would eat this with spaghetti. And the bread is wavy, smooth. I'm trying to be DJ's voice, so he definitely says that it's smooth. I agree. Well, thank you so much for answering my questions. I know that my viewers will definitely appreciate it. And I wish you the best on your business. Y'all, bomb bagels. Me and DJ just had a whole spiritual experience eating these things. So you have got to check it out. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming by.
Yeah, absolutely.
Humidity is also real. Prep your hair and your AC unit. The game day is a cultural event. Even if you're not into football, you'll need to learn to love or at least time your errands around it. Parking downtown is a thing. There are strategies. I've got them. Let's reach out. UGA isn't the whole story. Yes, it's a college town, but you don't have to live like a student. There are quiet, elegant neighborhoods that feel more like a retreat than a dorm town. So if you're dreaming of a life with more ease, more nature, more charm, and real community, Athens just might be calling you home. And if it is, let's explore it together. I offer personal relocation tours, virtual consultations, and exclusive insight on listings that align with your lifestyle, not just your loan approval. So check the description below for my free Athens relocation guide, or DM me at Selling Bee Home Tours to book a private call. And if this gave you real value, like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm bringing more behind the scenes videos all month. I'm Melissa B. McCall, helping you find the home that matches who you're becoming. Welcome to Athens.